I haven't uploaded in a while, sorry about that. I just have a lot of tests. But I'm gonna do a lot of stuff in this video. And if you want me to do something in the next Universe Sandbox uh mini, then sure. Anyways, I'm gonna go and do some of the stuff. Alright. My friends have given me a list of things to do. The first thing on that list is to see what would happen if the sun had negative mass. Well, first, we'll start off by removing a bit of its mass. Yeah, less of an orbit. Neptune probably won't stay with us for long. I feel like they had a lot more. What's Sedna in this? Yeah, Sedna's coming back. Anyways, so the grip has loosened then. So for orbits, yes, or freeze over. Oh my goodness. However, what if we gave it negative mass? Oh, oh goodness. Everything leaves. I think it pushes stuff away. There's no way to stay. Trust me, it's not what you think. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. So it doesn't pull stuff. I think it just pushes stuff away. Anyway, but I'm gonna try. I'll make sure that I'm doing this correctly. Alright, so I'm gonna grab a star. Random known star. Anyways, I'm gonna make the mass negative. Because apparently that's how it works. Okay? I'm gonna add a planet. So I have this random gas giant. Yeah, it's pushed away. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can make something orbit it. Oh, that kinda just took the part. Yeah, this really isn't gonna work. Instead, we just ended up with a lot of sparks. What if I gave it a negative radius? Return its mass. However, what if we give it a negative radius? Okay, so that did nothing. Um, Negative density? That made it small. Oh wait, now it just makes the mass negative. How about negative luminosity? Oh, it's purple. Okay, if I give negative luminosity, 1. Okay, so it's purple. Um, it doesn't really have a temperature. Hold on, let's return its mass. It doesn't have a temperature, so... Wait, does it heat it up though? Wait, it's cooling it down. This doesn't have a temperature. So I can just put something next to it. Well, I guess. This is orbiting so close and it won't. Oh, wait. That's kind of nice, but. I could put this thing as close as I want to this star and nothing will happen. I guess I want to know how close I can make it. If I turn on off space goggles, oh my goodness. That is bright. All these sparks are so bright. Yeah, we zoom in to blindness. I'm gonna turn this off. Well, I'm gonna turn on space goggles so I can actually see. How close can I get it? Okay, now it's just gonna go in. Can I get it this close? Wait, whip it to shreds? Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, what's this thing going around it? Is this getting ripped to shreds? I suppose that is a yes. Anyways, next request. Okay, our next request is to make the moon habitable. Well, this won't work as the moon's gonna cool down. So first, rotational period, 1 day. Um, yeah, it's gonna cool down. Alright, wait, let's go here. Sea level. Doesn't really have sea level. That's where we just drowned the toilet. 0 centimeters. Oh my goodness, there's so much ocean on the moon. E. That looks about 10 kilometers. That's what it would look like. It fills up the Maria on the moon. It fills up mostly the Maria. Let's do something like that. Anyways, will this water stay? I don't know. It'll freeze though, so we have to somehow give it an atmosphere. First, I will give it a magnet. Alright, the moon is protected from any rays. Alright. Let's try adding. Apply preset. So I guess one. Let's just put this on pause for a second. Let's get to the moon. Alright, sea level. And whatever that is. That's greenhouse effect. You probably want a greenhouse effect for this. Alright, as water, nitrogen, oxygen. I'm going to, hold on. I want to see the magnetic field for now. Okay, so, I think the moon's already well enough for this. It's still cooling down, though. Alright, we could add a greenhouse effect, then. I'm gonna find it. Alright, I've increased the greenhouse effect. Alright, I've increased the greenhouse effect by a lot. Should make the moon warmer. And hey, it's working. Soon we should have vegetation. Just give it some time. Alright, it's at 0.8, 0.9. It reached 0.1. That's good. Let me check the temperature. Is it a bit warm? Yeah. Oh. You could technically live on the moon then. I wanna know how high this would get. Hold on, I'm just gonna put some. Alright, it's at 2.5%. So this is getting pretty nice. Yeah, you can see it gradually increase. Looks like it's gonna max out. See, okay. To prove that we're not killing the moon, we have ice caps. Okay. Um, it's gonna stay around 3.4, 3.3. Alright. So that's gonna work. Next on the list, I was told to, make two galaxies collide. Andromeda and the Milky Way. That's, it's bright. I want to be in the center of that, okay? It's gonna lag my game. So far, not much. I'm gonna have to real speed up. Oh, wow. It takes forever. Okay, they're moving. They're happily moving. I don't want any trails. I just want to see it move in its beauty. Andromeda is bigger than the Milky Way, though. It's gonna max out at 20, um, 20 mega years, so I'll tell you when the X-ray collide. Okay, it's pulling Andromeda now. Alright, they're about to collide. Oh, the two pushed each other out. Fragments flying up everywhere. Wonder what this would look like, um, without space goggles. Oh, okay. So Andromeda Milky Way, it's just showing like the black hole part. It's just splattered out. Milky Way, and Andromeda's over there. This is nice. Alright, next on this list was to throw a focus at Earth. I guess that's what I'm gonna do. What did they have a focus in the game? Yes, they do. I think it's 99942 a focus. What's the difference? 0.1262 kilometers. Okay, so these two are the same things. I'm just gonna throw this one. Wow, okay. Those are the comparisons. These are completely different. Hold up. One of them weighs slightly more. This one, this one. Oh my goodness. I think 99942 of Office is a newer study. So, okay, we get, whatever. Get rid of this one. No, not both of them. Okay, let me Alright, I've, redone it. Oh, wow, that was quick. Um, wait, hold up. Um, let me get back into, I know I'm gonna get, okay, what? That is just outsmarted me. Off Office. It's a random asteroid that has been luckily selected. Is it actually luckily? I don't know. Boom. Oh. Okay, the Amazon lake has been made. Is there any long-term effects? No. No telling space goggles. Okay, so that's what it looks like in the end. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video, so this is how I want to end it. Giant galactic laser across the entire Earth. Alright. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. Oh, even that was a bit hard.